Chevre, hand is the größte Satman Hachnosas Sefer Torah of Ditmas Avenue. We have Ellie Glassman from Royal Hachnosas Sefer Torah is running the show. Ellie, ich habe dich schon gesehen, lange Zeit. What's so nice?
First of all, thank you for coming. I appreciate it.
I love about you, about Royal, is the Ruhekeit. Ich habe schon gesehen, das Hachnosas Sefer Torah it's a chaotic scene, right? Alles flieht, alles food. But when Royal's on scene, it's does a Ruhekeit. But Simcha is ruhig. Everything is Geschmack. Alles food. So take me in a little what's going on here today.
Yeah, Bochum, thank you, Chaim. So, first of all, can I say they're a beautiful truck. I'm sure you've seen it around. They're out pretty often. And they have to my choir, they have a singer, a spieler.
Nice.
And they have a shikl busy talk, there's a lot going on.
What do you mean? How many, what's going on? They're leaving from here in Ditmas Avenue?
So, the Baal Simcha was getting the Torah of Lord's from the holes.
Okay.
Went to mitten Barra Park, and then we do mid towards the Flatbush, Kensington.
Yeah.
But you can't march through the whole Barra Park.
Correct.
So the Baal Simcha decided I got one truck by the holes. I got marching up with my family for ein black. And nachdem gaat bij Hekem en doe met buses.
Yeah, buses load up everybody.
Ja, van de Baal Simcha. En nu gaat met de ganze gaat, ik ga dan uitgeschieden doen. Bij 600 kinderen. Plus nog 400 kinderen wat gaan wel belt at the parents.
Nice.
So there's a lot going on. So some truck by the holes and some doing the nach a truck. And then haben uns nach systems all over.
So that means the sound system does not in Badu, by the hose in Badu.
Correct, yeah.
So when einer rief dich, you take care of everything from the pekelig to the sound.
That's correct. When he calls Royal Torah Truck, the office number, usually me or the office will pick up. And then that order, say what they will, figure out your budget, figure out exactly what you want. Put the erste mind, some packages from jede mine Sache, from the more basic package, see all the way up to the Machishung in the rest of the I think that people have seen around here.
Jolilando gewinnt aan het heute.
Jolilando, like Boemer, we a lot more. I can't say I'm name but Baruch Hashem.
The biggest job.
I'm sure you've seen us around.
Definitely. And if I want to point out, now we saw it on Ruhekeit.
Baruch Hashem, yeah.
So laat maar aanchecken doen in the truck, zien wat dit zich doet.
So first of all, can the design.
Gorgeous.
So that echte shiny design.
I like the windows over there.
So that rich look. Baruch Hashem, it's my like the upgraded sound system.
Wow, this is powerful.
This is powerful.
Asach.
That from multiple generators is running, and as much as you can hear Baruch Hashem, something like that. Zai still. Can't come out the chain in the generator.
What's the Pshat so still?
The room is in my room, a special exhaust.
So
that you can't even hear it, it's soundproof. You hear the pittiness. So and it's a gross powerful generator. So Baruch Hashem for that.
What's so nice? Ellie, very neat look.
Yeah,
thin speakers. Zai classy.
Yeah, Baruch Hashem. I think that shows a little bit of what's the theme is.
That's it.
Clean, neat.
Classy, neat.
We get things on the right way.
Come on, the Hachnosas Sefer Torah is starting here 3 hours first. And you're schon aufgeset, ready to go.
Yeah, correct.
Pull up the last
everything,
minute.
and someone like 5 locations aufgeset. Hello.
Wie viel Goy machst du auf the job?
So, some total hand von meiner crew von 10 Menschen.
Wow.
There waren 6 locations.
Make sure everything was considered, alles food.
And alles is schon aufgeset.
Nice.
So, Baruch Hashem, you see this layout in the truck, so 3 arches.
Okay.
And Sach customers that use it as a memory.
It's that picture, like
a picture
that the mama,
like a couple, like in the do, a young daughter. It's a beautiful picture. So shine, so to shine back. It's like a natural. That's what's macht kind of a fake edited AI. It's real.
Pictures.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Here. Beautiful. This lighting by Nachlamushel.
So, und some Sachen an der Sache, first of all, the Chippe is guess wie most Chippes was Menschen haben. So 8x8, most than a 6.5. Dus Breitplatz für Rebbes and family. Iedereen Platz. Like special redelijk, so food sehr smooth. Siehst du wahrscheinlich Kroin du inside. And von oben, ist der Gedanke, also sag mal du drone footage and has a nice shiny Kroin von on top. Has a very nice look.
What's with GoPros? Like some
in summer GoPros, correct. This is one von the services von Summer. We have GoPros von beide Seiten. So covered von beide Seiten von der Chippe. Ich kann sehen du. 2 pity magnets.
I see that.
Some GoPros.
Off the truck.
Correct. For the ganze crowd. And some GoPros inside for the music. And the ganze Sache from the shield. And so on, yeah.
Nice. Alright, Ellie, what's with the actual truck? What got food off the truck?
Okay, so first of all, can see the truck. It's a beautiful, shiny, clean truck.
Packaging, no wires running through it.
Alles is 2 wires, alles is neat. Considered. Much extra.
Nice.
That's no way to do.
You take care of the kroinen, the flags, the
so du hast additional Sachen, it's a truck. Obviously starters is the truck and the Chippe. That's where you need to run the basics of. After the coordination was some care and permits and so on. But doch the ganze line from andere Sachen that we give. So first of all, it's a beautiful kroon.
Scheiße, alle Kinder kommen mit Kroon.
Yeah, correct. And
Velcro.
it has a Velcro, so it fits any size. From a tattoo to a kleine jingle. Du hast a regular standard flag. For einer soll shine a beautiful flag. And everything matches our theme. Alles is dezelfde coloring.
Du machst es custom mal auch jetzt?
Sure. Du kannst mich von Hand. Als die custom. It's a custom flag. With the shiny flowers in the background and the logo from an event inside.
Nice.
As you know, some regular faklen, a mention's film. Most of the last mentions are shot as a shiny look, so get the epis. The Ingle feels important. In some books, I'm off my lambdom, some stone free. And so do Mike.
Wie stellst du mal landen?
That's correct.
Was vielen nun die Kinder?
Correct. It's an additional thing. We can give you.
Wow.
We got jobs and some got 8 melamdom for about 1500 kinder.
Wow!
Yeah. And Baruch Hashem. And strick and all that.
What's this?
This is something unique. It's a little hard to see now, but it's a zinnig do. But this is electric fackel. I mentioned some more in the fire. Mrs. Eising and Drossing doesn't work, but most people make a bit more at night where it's a little not so sunny. It's at a shiny light, it's LED inside. And it's safe for alle meine Menschen. Ja, muss schon Menschen von nicht Hasidum. It's in der Sach.
Out of town, is what they use.
Correct.
What was the furthest you traveled already from Hachnosas Sefer Torah?
The first what?
What was the furthest you traveled? The waatste bist du gegangen von Hachnosas Sefer Torah?
Me sitting in traffic, that could be a lot.
Sitting in traffic. So we to Chicago, Baltimore.
We've done Baltimore, nicht mit der Truck, but we help Maple and we ship out constantly to people. Menschen machen, ich habe a customer in LA.
So
Maar dat en ik ship alles voor hem. Je gaat 4x4 pole gippen, so grote ship voor hem. Packlig. What you didn't get to yet. Flags, packlig, ja, and whatever, so on. Nog maar gedacht wat ons gegeven is, banners. Daar zijn in front of the hose, front of the shield. Usually guy erover, I put it before them, so the max moet zijn of zintig.
What's with lights?
Of course lights. Lights of the banner and lights around the hose ook kunnen maken.
So
correct.
A to Z. You don't leave anything
It goes on. The cancel in packlig and some regular standard packlig. En dan is custom packlig, die kan customizen wat die willst inside, met een logo office. Gaba Sachen Menschen haben certain Nachscheiden, was sehr important zu sein, and they want that to be this, so they are the ends, and then bestellt sich die ends.
Wow.
Noch eine Sache einmal ziehen for the hose. The shield, the cedar, some amazing people know I do sound. So auch eine Sache
you put up the sound in the house too?
Sound, screens, lighting, and so on. As we speak, in some on the location, for the cedar from them, haben wir a full sound system dort, a große Band, with the screens, live hookups, and all those type of stuff. I got multiple times in Hachnosas Sefer Torah, we got a live hookup the ganze Stadt for a relative who couldn't make it, or einer in der through, and so on.
So anything and everything is under you. You don't
Correct.
need to tell now.
And I'll show you now what's in Timur. We'll hop over a few blocks,
Let's
and check it out.
The setup of this method. It's the food. The Rebbe came to in any minute. Ellie Glassman with the hechster ook uit there do. The fetus. Ellie through it. Ellie, what's the day wired off the floor, Ellie?
So die kennen zijn daar and they do a sound system. Wie is dat?
That's the big setup for the kids, okay?
Ja, deze zijn voor de kleine kinderen. Dat kunnen smarten. Gaan ze aan dat apparentje.
So they also have wire running to
En
the
gaan we maar een wire on them. In the truck, all the way daar. It's be collected as they go.
Get back here, we do the wire. So 3 blocks, you have a wire running 3 blocks.
Correct. En
Kids should feel part of it.
ze gaat dan aligned.
Ooh.
Ja, dat zijn hoog. Weet je erbij? Ze gaat dan aligned, meaning to say as was the guy event and he feels the towers his tomb to bounce.
It's a bounced.
Ze gaat dus aan. So it's timed as jede same feet of the truck richt zich. The delay moves back and it's going to sink in. And as the truck
Really?
arrives, it's going to feel like it's one big thing. Yeah.
That's crazy. What? But the beginning is going to be off for a couple of seconds.
No, ze gaat dan from the second truck route out, gaat ze aan exactly timed the line. Het staat in via studio.
Wow. So it's not going to be off a minute. Get back here, we do guy in the Kinderstein of the Parenches. So as we looked, the größte banana speakers, the größte bass. You're taking care of this whole sound system as well.
Correct. And ze gaan dan inside, ze doen nog een sound system inside.
Unreal. So again, the Parenches, the Kinderstein. Wow. Hoe de grootste building. Gorgeous. Heerlijk. Wow.
Ich habe mir lange an Zeit, und hoffentlich stehen wir nicht keinen. Das können sehen, bis mehr der ob du noch ein Soundsystem dort.
Oh, okay, die zijn in de grootste besmetters.
Ja, die können bis mehr der ungefähr Differenzen, ich habe dann sehr sagt in der Zeit. Und du hast noch ein Soundsystem, aufgesetzt mit Choir Mics, Monitors, Subs. Es hat mehr besser mit zu schauen. Dann ein Shiner Mohammed.
Beautiful, wow. It's enough sound gonna rock this place. Wie heißt het? The buffers? The bump?
Subs.
The subwoofers. So they have kiffen alles from A to Z. This is unreal. Ellie, one phone call and it's everything taken care of.
Correct. Mama should do it.
So Ellie, what's that one phone number to arrange everything?
845-367-1165.
Kevin, the number's gonna be here on the screen. Check out my WhatsApp, check out my text, call them, and it's one phone call away for everything like you just saw.
And you also get to check, we have a beautiful website, royaltorah.com. You can see everything that we provide, information, reviews from customers, videos, and so on.
Shkoyach Ellie, shkoyach bring sympathy clauses through,
Shkoyach.
through.
Thank you, Chaim.